They even honor the sanctity of the building of the mosque, that they don't take their shoes there. No matter who you are, you take off your shoes. The preacher is preaching and you are on your phone fidgeting, and we have a people in here, preacher is preacher, and somebody is whispering to Nini and all that kind of thing. We have reduced the sanctity and the reverence and the honor and the respect that we have for God. This is why Presby, when we were children and when we went to hide in the big pulpit, even when we went to school, we were king. Because they honor the that the altar is an epicenter where God has placed his holy name. Where God has placed his holy name. Praise the Lord. Where God, when you're meeting the day at all, if you're a worshiper, you can't just walk in them. What could you offer? You yourself, you will stand outside, not the ushers. When it's worship, like trying to teach all these people what worship should be. No. Where did that training come from? Worship is not the song. Worship is the expression. Worship. It's serious. Worship. I can tell you boldly. But the expression of worship, let everybody speak in his language. Let everybody speak in the spirit. Let them express their heart unto God. Allow them to express themselves, not the song.